Government databases are usually where tech secrets go to die, but right now, they are screaming about a new flying camera that has every enthusiast checking their bank account. We have moved way past whispers and into the territory of actual paper trails. First, a prototype photo leaked showing a massive camera lens that looks like it was borrowed from a much more expensive professional rig. Then, the real evidence hit. A registration showed up in a government database used for flight safety. That is the kind of boring administrative step a company only takes when a product is finished. A second filing followed just weeks later. When you see two separate government agencies logging the same piece of hardware, you stop calling it a rumor. It becomes a countdown. This new machine is definitely real. It just has not been given an official name by the creators yet. The biggest upgrade is staring us right in the face. That front lens is significantly larger than what we see on the current prosumer model. People are betting on a large 1-inch sensor. That would mean your evening shots look crisp instead of grainy. If you love slow motion, the talk of ultra high definition at very high frame rates is going to be your favorite part. It is not just about the eyes though. It is about the brain. The leaked photos show extra sensor housings around the frame. This suggests the drone will see the world in every direction with much more precision. No more clipping tree branches during an automated flight. The connection to your controller is also getting a boost. We are looking at an updated transmission system that can punch through city interference without breaking a sweat. It is all about giving the pilot more confidence when the drone is a mile away. One of the strangest details involves the weight of this thing. One filing suggests it might be incredibly light. It might even be light enough to skip those annoying registration rules. That would be a massive shift. The current version is quite heavy and sturdy. It weighs over 700 grams. Shaving off that much weight while adding a bigger camera feels like a magic trick. We might see a battery life that stretches past 40 minutes. That gives you plenty of time to get the perfect shot without constantly checking the power levels. Of course, all of this is based on a mix of documents and patterns. Until the official box is on a shelf, nothing is set in stone. So, when can you actually fly it? The timeline has shifted quite a bit. Earlier guesses pointed to a summer release, but that window is gone. Now, everyone is looking at the end of 2026, or even the start of the following year. If you are in the States, there is an extra hurdle. Every new wireless device needs a federal communications filing before it can be sold. Right now, that filing is missing. It could be a simple delay, or it could be related to those ongoing trade discussions that keep making headlines. Either way, do not expect to see this in your local shop the second it launches globally. As for the price, the current model launched at about $1,100. With these upgrades, you should expect to pay at least that much. If you need something today, the current model is actually cheaper than it was at launch. It still shoots incredible video and has great obstacle sensors. It is a fantastic tool while we wait for the next big thing to arrive. Keep your eyes on those regulatory filings. That is where the truth always hides.